Hi, my friends, it's Miss Alexander, and today we're working on Module 6, Lesson 14 of Engage New York. Our objective today is solve word problems involving the addition of measurements in decimal form. So here are steps. We're going to rewrite the number sentence in fraction form. We're going to convert tenths to hundreds. We're going to add the fractions, convert improper fractions into mixed numbers, rewrite fraction as decimals. Here is our place value chart. Let's look at our example, you guys. It says barrel A contains 2.7 liters of water. Barrel B contains 3.49 liters of water. Together, how much water do the two barrels contain? So the first thing I need to do is figure out my numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and quick highlight them. So I'm going to use blue, and here are my two numbers. I'm going to take these two numbers. I'm going to just move my arrow, my line over a little. So I can go 2.7 plus 3.49. I'm going to take this sentence right here and I'm going to rewrite it in fraction form. So I'm going to go 2 and 7/10. I'm going to take off the yellow. Sometimes my boxes have a mind of their own. And then 3 and 49 hundredths. So what I'm looking at is, see this 7? It's the only one behind the decimal. So I put 1 0 underneath. For the 49, two numbers behind the decimal, I put 2 zeros underneath. Now I'm going to take this and convert the tenths. So 2, and there we go again. I have the yellow. And 7/10. And I need to multiply by some fraction when it equals a whole number, which equals a number over 100. So I take the 10, multiply it by, yes, 10, you guys. When I do the bottom, I do the top to get 100. So 7 times 10 is 70. But before the 7, I need to put in my 2. So now I'm going to add the fractions. I have this 2 and 70/10. 70 hundredths plus 3 and 49 hundredths. I'm going to rewrite that because I'm going to combine like terms, which is taking my whole numbers and then my fractions. So I have 2 plus 3 plus 70 hundredths plus 49 hundredths. Now I'm going to add. I can do 2 plus 3, which gives me 5. And then I need to add the 70 hundredths and the 49 hundredths. So I'll do 7 plus 4, which gives me 11. And then 0 plus 9 gives me 9. That's 119. And I put it over 100. Now, I have an improper fraction right here. I know I can pull 100 out of 119. So I'm going to bring my 5 and 1/19 down. 119 over 100. Which equals, now I need to change the 119 into my, make it not so big. So I'm going to take 100 out of 119, so it's 100 over 100. Then I have 19 left over. So now we're going to fix this. We have 5 plus, and I know 100 over 100 equals 1, you guys. So I'm going to write a 1. And then I'm going to add in my 19 hundredths. Now I get to add one more time. I get to do 5 plus 6, which gives me 6. And I have 19 hundredths. I'm going to take that 6 and 19 hundredths, bring it down so I can write in decimal form. I see the 6 is not part of the fraction, so it's in front of the decimal. And then I put the 19 behind. So I see that I get 6.19. So right up here where I have my 3 question marks, I need a sentence. I can say the 2 barrels contain 6.19, so 6 and 19 hundredths liters of water. And this is how we're doing our word problems today. As you do it, take a breath. You got this. Remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.